Adam first tried with this little car and brought a big truck and an old sports car out of bed to find out the same thing, that a moving car can get inside from behind a moving truck. And he easily went inside the truck. Now it comes to the big car. Adam himself became the driver and the car was about 30. After delivering, he mounted the car on the ramp at the right angle and easily stopped inside the truck. Then he 15 the speed of the car. Even though it was so heavy, Adam again mounted the car inside the truck and then took it back.